In this video, I'll show you how to smoothly retouch skin and remove acne, blemishes, and pimples in Photoshop while keeping natural skin texture. Start by duplicating the image. Press Ctrl or Command plus J. Invert the duplicated layer using Ctrl or Command plus I. Now, convert this layer to a smart object so we can work non-destructively. Right-click in the Layers panel and choose Convert to Smart Object. Change the blend mode of this layer to vivid light. The image will turn gray, which is normal. Now go to Filter, then Other, and select High Pass. Increase the radius until the skin looks slightly blurred but facial details are still visible. For this image, a radius of 10 pixels works well. Next, go to Filter, then Blur, and choose Gaussian Blur. Set the blur radius to 3 pixels. This softens the skin while keeping realistic texture. Now, we only want this effect on the skin. Collapse the smart filters to keep the Layers panel clean, then hold Alt or Option and click the Layer Mask icon to add a black mask. This hides the smoothing effect. Select the Brush tool, set the foreground color to white, and choose a soft round brush. Make sure hardness is 0%, opacity is 100%, and flow is 100%. Use the left and right bracket keys to adjust brush size and paint over the skin to reveal the smoothing effect. Avoid the eyes, hair, eyebrows, lips, and sharp edges. Once that's done, create a merged copy of your image by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus E on Windows or Command plus Option plus Shift plus E on Mac. Zoom into the face using the Zoom tool. Select the Remove tool, set it to Auto, and enable Remove after each stroke. Adjust the brush size and paint over any remaining blemishes to clean up the skin naturally. It will take some time to complete the cleaning process, so do it patiently. And that's it. You now have smooth, realistic skin with preserved texture. As you can see, the before and after of this image. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.